टुडे विल सी 3 इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस. करते रहिए प्रैक्टिस, रुकना नहीं है बिल्कुल भी, हार मानने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. देखो, आप जब दो स्टूडेंट हैं आप दोनों, एंड वाई इट इज़ लाइक कि एक स्टूडेंट क्लियर कर लेता है और आप नहीं कर पाते हो. ओके, सी reason is not something this student is very talented or something very intelligent or something like that. No, you people are more or less same, बिल्कुल same हो. It's nothing like his talent. The problem is only with you is like you are losing confidence every single day. You are not trying to be positive. You are not maintaining the consistency. This is the biggest problem. तो comparatively better इस चीज़ में है वो, और किसी भी चीज़ में ये better नहीं है आपसे, right? So if you maintain this thing, keep saying I will do, I will definitely do, why I won't be clear. आप डेली क्या बोलते हो? फेल हो जाएंगे तो, नेक्स्ट ईयर भी नहीं हुआ तो, इतना मुश्किल है. सो मोर नेगेटिव यू से, द ब्रेन मेक स्ट्रॉन्ग सिग्नल्स, एंड वेन एवर यू फील लो इट विल जस्ट रिफ्लेक्ट दोज थिंग्स. Okay, so चलिए, today is a very easy this thing. Okay, fine, but we will learn lot of things. Lateral entry into the bureaucracy in India. Now there are two statements given here. The first statement says there is no quota for OBC, SC, ST in such recruitment. So this is a very first statement, and that's why all issues is all about. Opposition is raising this, that आपको lateral entry में भी quotas होने चाहिए, right? But lateral entry में we are taking the experts. दैट्स द ऑल पर्पज ऑफ लेटरल एंट्री, कि हम एक एक्सपर्ट्स को लेते हैं, एक्सपीरियंस पर्सन को इन पर्टिकुलर डोमेन, पर्टिकुलर डिपार्टमेंट. सो इफ दैट विल पुट सम लेटरल एंट्री इन दिस थिंग, सो मे बी द बेस्ट पर्सन वी कांट हायर समटाइम्स, right? If some person is best but he is not from SC, ST and ST reservation is there, so he won't be get hired. He's the best candidate, but because of this, so in some very secret departments or very departments which needs a lot of expertise, I think this is not a suitable option. But ठीक है, देखते हैं. This is the not our issue. Second important statement is, as per the 13-point roster formula, if there is a 6 vacancies in any department, then 3 seats would. So exactly I would like to tell you that 13-point roster formula होता क्या है, and 3 seats should go to general, 1 for OBC, ST. So just to teach you this 13-point roster formula, I have made this statement for you. Now if you see the explanation, the answer to this is A. Only one is correct. The second statement is incorrect. So directly taken from the article. Okay, it has been taken from the article. How have the lateral entries have been kept out of the ambit of reservation? So if you see here with the 13-point roster formula, now example से आप समझिए. If OBC is 27%, therefore the OBC candidate are recruited every 4th post for which the vacancy arise in a department. तो इट्स 3.7. आप देखो यहाँ पे इट्स 3.7. सो आफ्टर एवरी 3 अपॉइंटमेंट द ओबीसी विल गेट ऑप्टेड, देन जनरल, देन अगेन आफ्टर 3. सो लाइक वाइज फॉर द एससी कैंडिडेट विच हैज 15% रिजर्वेशन, सो आफ्टर एवरी 6th कैंडिडेट, राइट, 7th पोजिशन पे इनकी फिल होगी. एंड एसटी का देखिए 7.5% रिजर्वेशन है, सो दे आर सपोज टू फिल एवरी 14th वैकेंसी, राइट. एंड ईडब्ल्यूएस का 10% है, सो एवरी 10th वैकेंसी विल बी फिल्ड बाय ईडब्ल्यूएस. इन दिस वे जनरल कैटेगरी बिकम्स लाइक दे बिकम आउट ऑफ द रेस, समथिंग लाइक दैट. सो आपको इस चीज का थोड़ा सा ध्यान रखना है कि इफ यू सी हियर दैट एवरी कैटेगरी हैज डिफरेंट पोजिशन इन रिक्रूटमेंट, right? Now according to this formula, however there is no reservation for the top 3 vacancies file obtained from the, so basically top 3 में जनरल ही आएंगे, राइट, जनरल ही आएंगे. सो आप अगर आपको वैकेंसी में फर्स्ट रैंक, तो आप देखो अगर कोई वैकेंसी है तो अगर उसमें टॉप 3 पोजीशन है, दैट विल बी रिजर्व्ड बाय द, इफ 4 सीट्स आर देयर, टॉप 3 बाय द जनरल, द फर्स्ट इज ओबीसी, बिकॉज ओबीसी का 4th पोजीशन होता है, एससी का नंबर लेट आएगा. सो इफ यू सी हियर, इफ देयर इज इन द क्वेश्चन, इफ यू सी 6 वैकेंसीज, 6 में क्या देखो आप, तो 3rd विल गो टू द जनरल कैटेगरी, 4th 1 विल गो टू ओबीसी, राइट. सो 3 सीट्स विल गो टू जनरल, 1 विल गो टू ओबीसी, पर एससी एसटी का नंबर नहीं आएगा अभी. एससी एंड एसटी विल गेट आफ्टर 6th one, 7th प्लेस पे, एंड 14th प्लेस पे एसटी. So it's in the 5 4 5 seats the SC ST won't get reservation. That's the whole point of the government कि lateral entry में seats इतनी ज़्यादा कम होती हैं कि we can't place the SC and ST in this recruitment, right? Because they have separate categories. इन position पे ही वो recruit होंगे. आपका भी जब एग्जामिनेशन होगा and you are falling in this reservation, this is the criteria for getting seats, right? So this is about the 13-point roster formula. First time you have learned, maybe try to remember it. Now moving to the very first question, if you see here, now this is no quotas for the scheduled caste, scheduled tribes and OBC in such recruitment. This is the very first statement. It is the correct statement. Okay, so answer to this question is A. Now if you see the next statement, it talks about the rapid innovation and startup expansion, RISE accelerator. Okay, now this accelerator was launched in 2023 and instrumental in supporting startups and MSCs in validating, adapting and piloting their technologies for the new markets. So which two countries launched this? Now this is important because India is involved and Australia. So it was a part of it, this PIB also, और ये न्यूज़ में है. It's like for the long time it was in news. राइज एक्सीलेटर देखिए एंड दिस एक्सीलेटर का पर्पस क्या है, इट्स फोकस थीम्स देख लीजिए, क्लाइमेट स्मार्ट एग्रीकल्चर, क्लीन एनर्जी, द सर्कुलर इकोनॉमी, द क्लाइमेट स्मार्ट मोबिलिटी. So if you see here, this innovation accelerator is mostly related to the climate part. यहाँ पे उन्होंने 4 जो थीम्स है आपके, द फोकस ऑन द क्लाइमेट एंड एनवायरमेंटल. So there is no education, there is no hunger, there is no, so you should be knowing this because अगर आप राइज एक्सीलेटर में देखो, in not even a single word denotes any field. यहाँ पे ना ही क्लाइमेट का मेंशन पता चलता है ना ही एजुकेशन का. So definitely you have to learn about the rise accelerator and this is what everything I have given you about the rise accelerator. Maybe you know this. Now very favorite questions are such question, the third question if you see here, the International Earth Science Olympiad. Now such questions always will appear in your UPSC. I'm telling you now, they have changed the track. They want you to know India, okay, in the inside also and outside also. So in such Olympiad, if you see, that's why you see here nowadays they have started asking about the sports games, the person getting selected here. So now you have to know this, that कि ये Olympiad जब हो रहा है and India is participating also and India is winning also. So this is important now. Okay, so if you see here, it is an annual competition for the secondary school education from across the globe. The students have to test their skills in all major areas of earth sciences, including geology, geophysics, meteorology and environmental science. तो it's earth sciences से related जितनी भी चीजें हैं ये टेस्ट कर रहे हैं. And third, see, this year India participated for the first time in 24 IESO. Now this is about the participation. First is about what it is and all. So now if you see the solution, you will get to know India shines at the 13th, 17th International Olympiad. And it was established in 2003 at the International Geoscience Education Organization Council meeting in the Canada. Okay, now it was established in 2023. This year 17th edition is in the Beijing, China. Okay, recently 17th edition. Now India is participating. First of all, I will tell you, 2007 से India is participating in this. Okay, and if you see here, this is also very important कि India hosted the 10th edition of this Olympiad in Mysore. So this is not something international anymore. India has hosted and India is participating since 2007. So for the first time, this is incorrect statement. The answer is 1 and 2. First and second are important. If you see here, it's an annual competition for the secondary school students around the globe. Okay, have to test there all the major areas of the earth sciences, including the geophysics, meteorology, and every such things. So this is about the 3 questions today, and I hope you are practicing every student. आप fail हो रहे हो, समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, करो practice. Nobody is teaching you in this way. I guarantee with this, and when I say this, I am in full responsibility and in confidence. I am saying you this. Okay, so make sure you practice here day and night. आप खूब अच्छे से याद कीजिए, प्रीलिम्स डॉक्यूमेंट कीजिए, अभ्यास कीजिए. प्रीलिम्स क्लियर होगा कैसे नहीं. दिस इज द वे वी चोज, राइट. अब होना है, सो मेक श्योर यू वर्क वेरी हार्ड. चलो कल फिर क्वेश्चंस देखते हैं, कल कुछ और. प्लीज ट्राई टू सब्सक्राइब एंड ऑल सच थिंग्स, राइट। एज आई टोल्ड इन लास्ट वीडियो, थोड़ा सा इसको कोशिश कर दिया करो शेयर वेयर करने का, राइट, इफ यू कैन, अगर टाइम वेस्ट आपका नहीं हो रहा है, अदरवाइज टाइम इज इंपॉर्टेंट। चलो, थैंक यू सो मच।